Every business, small, medium, or large, needs to know at least two critical aspects in finance. One is accounts receivable and the accounts payable. This accounts receivable template is brought to you by TemplateShop.net. We see the introduction, which gives us a high-level overview of what this template is all about. A very simple template, which we will see in the next few minutes. Details of things which we need to include, how to customize, colors, etc. Here are the invoices which we have generated, the invoice numbers, the customer name, the payment terms, so on and so forth. The payments, whether we have received, when have we received, how much payment have we received from our clients. The payments which are scheduled and giving us a visual indication in color. A dashboard which gives us a high-level overview of the various payments and a little bit about the background data. Let me go into each of these and explain it to you. So we have the invoice numbers, the company name, customer name, so on and so forth. Now here we have a few companies, company 1 to company 8. Now if I click on any of these, we see it's all these 8 companies. We go to the background data, and here I would say company 9. Go into the invoice, and I click here. I get to see there's a company 9 also over here. The payment terms are defined by the organization, 30, 60, 90 days. If at all there is an exception, approvals need to be received before these numbers can be changed. So say for example, I manually type 360 days, it will give me an error saying that this is not permissible. So we have the required checks and balances. Based on this payment terms, we have the invoice due dates. Let's see how it changes. So here, say for example, in this invoice number 11, invoice date was 23 December 2022, 180 days. It's supposed to be payable by 21st June. I make this to 30 days. It changes here, and the amount is provided here. The payment records, various payments that we have received, the payment due date, the invoice amount. We have received, out of 194, we have received $59. The balance is $139.35. Instead of this, I make it say $78. The information changes here. The payment date accordingly, though, remains constant. The scheduled payment is a high-level overview, as we saw, in terms of when is it expected to be paid. This is the one which gives us information. The dashboard. The dashboard is a completely customizable dashboard, which we see in terms of visually attractive graphs and charts. The invoice days remaining. Now this, what we have applied is a slicer for company 5. If I just remove the filter, we see the complete graphs changing. If I want to have information related to company 1, we see that this is only company 1, how many days, etc. Here we have, say, company 4, maybe company 5, company 6, etc. So this will ensure that you are completely on top of the payments that you are expected to receive. We appreciate you watching this video. You can stay up to date on useful templates by subscribing to TemplateShop.net. This spreadsheet can also be brought at TemplateShop.net, the link for which can be found in the description.